What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Knife Life EDC. Now, this may be kind of funny because I already tried to do the video for this and I didn't realize my phone wasn't recording. So I have opened everything up already. So this is what the box looked like, at least. There you go. CRKT, confidence in hand. I like their stuff. I've kind of used their stuff since I was back right in the beginning of my military career a long time ago. And it kind of what got me in the knives originally. But it's a minimalist, as you can see. I had everything opened up already, so obviously this right here is going to be your clip for like your belt and everything like that. You strap it onto this however you want it, and you just hook it up to your belt. That's how you like to carry stuff. I'm not a big fan of carrying on my belt. I don't know, I just like to honestly, I like to put these in my EDC pouches or just in my pocket because they're real small, slender, and they fit right in there, and they don't come out real well. Like, they don't come out of the sheaths very easily, so it's pretty nice. It works pretty well. Like, they come out easy, excuse me. They come out easy enough, but they're not going to like fall off. These are neck knives technically, so you have your little belt accessory right there to put on your belt, and then you also have your cord for your paracord for your knife to wear around your neck, and then you have your little clip right there. So I'm not real big into that. I don't like stuff around my neck really to begin with. Heck, I don't even like my neck being touched. I'm kind of just weird. My dad used to rasp me back in the day when I was a kid doing that. Like, just come up there and come behind me and grab onto my neck, and I'd freak out like a crackhead or something. I don't know. But yeah, I'm really into these. I really like these, and I believe this is called a spear point. I believe that's what it's called. I can't remember. I just really like the way it looks. I think it looks pretty sharp looking. You have your little divot cut out right there for it, so it's got great shape. You got jimping right there. I don't know, something weird about it. Like, honestly, it feels thicker. Hold on, because I have more of these obviously because I like them, but it is definitely quite a bit thicker. I think that's why I like it a little better. I don't know if it's bigger, longer. I have the Bowie right there. I like the Bowie too. Bowie's, yeah, pretty nice too. I don't know, same length, I guess. It is definitely thicker though. It feels good. What I also like is I don't feel any catch right here. Sometimes these things, they can kind of catch. Like either the handle, the steel, it pops out like a little bit too far out or too far in. Same with both sides, but it's, or like the handle, the scale also, like same way, like it may be too far out, too far in, but it's pretty smooth. Like, I don't really see one way out farther than the other. So it feels really good in hand. I think my other one, this one right here, it has that problem, just the hairball. But honestly, it's a minimal. Like, you don't notice, it doesn't affect anything you do. It's just tedious things, you know, nothing to really get into, I guess. This is it's going to be a real short video because I don't really have much more to say. I'm really excited to use this. I like putting these in my kits. I like to carry these around like as a second knife. But pretty stoked for it. Obviously, you get your 3-finger grip. You get this thing right here for your 4th if you want, if that's what you're into. Feels real good in hand. I suggest you guys get one. They're great for a little beater knife. I think I paid 23 bucks for this. You can get them on different websites and get them on Amazon. Just kind of look around. You can find good prices for stuff. I think, like I said, I got this for 23. I think it was going on other sites for like 30, and I think some of the others go for 30. So you just kind of, you know, got to do some searching around real quick to find the best price. But great little knives. I love these things. I don't know. I put them everywhere. I have them in some pouches. I have them some here, some there. I carry some, so I think they're a good thing to get. But if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up, or if you want to have a comment, just leave a comment, please. Thanks.